In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question 2, part 3. And the question we have, function of x is equal to integral of dx divided by x plus a under root plus under root x. Right, this is the same question as we have discussed part 1 of question number 2. So here we have dx divided by under root x plus a plus under root x. This is the rational expression and we have to convert it to irrational expression. We are trying to solve for the denominator and we want to simplify the denominator. So how we will start it? See, dx, I told you, you have to write down whatever expression we have first, which is dx divided by under root x plus a plus under root x, and then we have to multiply and divide with the same term whatever we have, under root x plus a under root x, but with the opposite sign. Whatever sign we have, it is negative, we have to make it positive, but here we have positive, so we have to make it negative and divided by exactly same term. Technically, when you will see, or mathematically, these two terms will cancel each other because these are exactly same, and again we have the same question. So it means we did multiplication and division with the same term, so it does not make any difference to the question. Now we have in the numerator x plus a is remaining negative x dx divided by x plus a whole square minus under root x whole square. So see, from here this is the formula which we have learned in grade 7. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. One time you have to write down with the positive sign, one time with the negative sign. So exact we have here, one time instead of a we have under root x plus a, instead of b we have under root x. So one time with the positive sign, one time with the negative sign. This is a square and b square. Now we will simplify it. Numerator will remain the same, that is under root x plus a plus under root x dx divided by, see, this square and this under root will cancel, same thing, square will cancel this under root, sine x plus a, then we have negative, so it will be negative x. This negative or positive will cancel each other. I will do here. So a is the constant we have to write down outside the integral. In the, now we have under root x plus a plus under root x dx. Now our question is so simple, we have to integrate under root x plus a plus under root x. See, we do not have anything in the denominator. Okay, so I will write down here 1 over a is constant. Instead of under root x plus a, I can write down 1 over 2. Same thing for under root x I can do, because under root sign is equal to 1 over 2 dx. Now we will do x plus a 1 over 2 dx minus, because we have two terms, we will do separate integration, and this a I will make a bracket here. It means that 1 over a you have to multiply with this and this as well. So 1 over a, and here now we will start integration. 1 over 2 is the power, we have to add 1, so our new exponent is 1 over 2 plus 1, that is why we have to divide, and then negative x 1 over 2 plus 1, same thing, 1 over 2 plus 1, with the new power you have to divide and you have to add the constant of integration at this step. So it is 1 over a. If you want you can multiply, right, but it is fine here. It means that it multiply this term and this term both. X plus a is 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. We are adding the exponents, so 3 over 2 plus c, So see, in one you can do one more step. It will be 2 over 3 because this is the reciprocal. 2 over 3 this, and then 2 over 3 this. So 2 over 3 is here, 2 over 3 is here. That is why I can take 2 over 3 common as well with a. So in here we have x plus a 3 over 2 minus x 3 over 2 plus c, and this is the answer. Right, where is this 3 over 2? We have taken as a common, and it will be 2 over 3. So still you have any question, without any hesitation you can ask me, and thanks for watching.